gentlemen, President Kadish, I have the honor of presenting to you the talented, hardworking, compassionate, and altogether wonderful candidates for the degree of Doctor of Medicine.
As you begin this new part of your journey, I want you to know that our confidence in you is great and our hopes for you are alive with promise. Thank you for choosing medicine. I extend my warmest and heartfelt congratulations to each of you.
I confer upon the class of 2024 the degree of Doctor of Medicine with all the rights, privileges, and obligations that relate to it.
I wish you all Godspeed on your journey, young doctors.